Hello, fellow travelers. Today we're whisked away to the Philippines, a nation of over 7,000 islands, each holding a unique charm. From the bustling cities to the serene beaches, the Philippines offers a diverse array of experiences that cater to every kind of traveler. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrills or someone looking to unwind, this archipelago has something special for you. Our destination? Cebu. This island province isn't just geographically at the heart of the archipelago, it's the soul of the Philippines. Known for its rich history and vibrant culture, Cebu is a place where the past and present seamlessly blend together, creating a unique and unforgettable experience for visitors. Cebu pulsates with history. It was here, on the shores of Cebu, that Ferdinand Magellan first landed in 1521, marking a pivotal moment in global history. This event not only put Cebu on the map, but also set the stage for centuries of cultural exchange and transformation. The echoes of Spanish colonization are still visible in the grand churches and forts, a testament to the island's layered past. These historical landmarks offer a glimpse into the architectural prowess and cultural influences that have shaped Cebu over the centuries. But beyond the historical significance, Cebu is a sensory delight, a tapestry woven with vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and the warmest of smiles. The island's natural beauty is complemented by the genuine hospitality of its people, making every visit a memorable one. Are you ready to dive into a world of emerald waters, pristine beaches, and cultural treasures? Cebu's coastline offers some of the most stunning beaches in the world, perfect for both relaxation and adventure. Come along as we uncover the magic of Cebu. From its historical landmarks to its natural wonders, Cebu promises an experience that will captivate your heart and soul. Cebu is a beach lover's paradise. Imagine powdery white sand that slips through your fingers, the kind that feels like silk against your skin. The beaches here are not just beautiful, they are a sensory experience that stays with you long after you've left. The gentle lull of turquoise waters lapping at the shore creates a soothing soundtrack to your day. It's the perfect place to unwind, letting the rhythmic waves wash away your stress. And above, a sky painted in hues of endless blue stretches out, making you feel like you're in a tropical dream. The vibrant colors of the sky blend seamlessly with the ocean, creating a picturesque scene that is perfect for photography enthusiasts. This is just a glimpse of what awaits you on Cebu's coastline. The scenic views are breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas that are perfect for a leisurely stroll or a more adventurous hike. From the bustling shores of popular spots like Bantayan Island, known for its sugar-fine sand and crystal-clear waters, you can enjoy a variety of activities. Whether it's beach volleyball, building sandcastles, or simply lounging with a good book, there's something for everyone. To the secluded coves of Malapascua Island, where you might even spot a thresher shark or two, the island offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. It's a diver's paradise, with underwater landscapes that are as stunning as the beaches above. Cebu offers a beach for every kind of traveler. Whether you're seeking solitude or socializing, you'll find a spot that suits your mood. The diverse landscapes range from bustling beaches to hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Whether you dream of sunbathing under swaying palm trees, feeling the gentle breeze on your face, or simply watching the world go by, Cebu's beaches provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation. Snorkeling amidst vibrant coral reefs is another must-do activity. The underwater world here is teeming with life, offering a kaleidoscope of colors and marine species that will leave you in awe. Or diving into an underwater world teeming with marine life where every dive reveals new wonders. From colorful corals to exotic fish, the marine biodiversity is simply astounding. Cebu's beaches are a sanctuary for relaxation and adventure. Whether you're looking to unwind or seeking thrills, you'll find it all here. The picturesque settings make it an ideal destination for both relaxation and adventure. So grab your swimsuit, slather on that sunscreen, and let's explore. The adventure of a lifetime awaits you in Cebu, where every beach tells a story and every cove holds a secret. Moving inland, we encounter a sight that feels straight out of a fairy tale: the Chocolate Hills. Over 1,200 perfectly formed, grass-covered hills spread across the landscape, their verdant hues transforming into a rich chocolate brown during the dry season, hence the name. The origin of these geological marvels remains a mystery, adding to their allure. Local legends offer whimsical explanations, from the tears of a heartbroken giant to the aftermath of a battle between two giants who hurled sand and stones at each other. Whether you choose to believe the scientific theories or embrace the folklore, there's no denying the enchanting beauty of the Chocolate Hills. They stand as a testament to the power of nature and a reminder of the wonders that await discovery beyond the beaten path. Section 4. A tapestry of culture, festivals, and traditions. The heart and soul of Cebu lie in its people and their vibrant culture. This vibrant culture is a living, breathing entity that thrives in the everyday lives of the Cebuanos. It is a culture that is deeply rooted in tradition, yet ever evolving with the times. Filipinos are known for their warmth, hospitality, and love for celebration, and nowhere is this more evident than in Cebu's colorful festivals. These festivals are not just events, they are a testament to the Filipino spirit, a celebration of life, and a way to honor their rich history and traditions. Imagine a kaleidoscope of colors, the rhythmic beat of drums, and the infectious energy of a crowd. The air is filled with excitement and the streets are alive with the sounds of laughter and music. It's a sensory overload that leaves a lasting impression on anyone who experiences it. This is Sinulog, Cebu's most famous festival, held annually in honor of the Santo Niño, the child Jesus. The festival is a grand spectacle that attracts visitors from all over the world, eager to witness the vibrant parades, the elaborate costumes, and the heartfelt devotion of the participants. Streets transform into stages for elaborate parades with dancers clad in vibrant costumes, their movements a hypnotic blend of grace and energy. Each step, each twirl, is a tribute to their heritage and a display of their artistic prowess. Beyond the grand celebrations, everyday life in Cebu is infused with cultural richness. The traditions and values that are celebrated during the festivals are also evident in the daily interactions of the people. It's a way of life that is both humble and profound. Step into a local market, and you'll be greeted by a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. The markets are a microcosm of Cebu's culture, bustling with activity and brimming with the vibrant energy of the locals. From fresh produce to hand-woven textiles, the markets offer a glimpse into the heart of Filipino life. Each stall tells a story, each product a piece of the cultural mosaic that makes up Cebu. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, and where the past and present coexist in harmony. Section 5. The warmth of Cebu people and hospitality. One of the most unforgettable aspects of visiting Cebu is undoubtedly the people. Filipinos are renowned for their genuine warmth and hospitality, and in Cebu this rings especially true. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted with friendly smiles, helpful gestures, and a genuine desire to make you feel welcome. It's not uncommon to be invited to share a meal, learn a few Tagalog phrases, or simply engage in a heartfelt conversation. This spirit of generosity and kindness is deeply ingrained in Filipino culture. It's a value system that shines through in everyday interactions, creating an atmosphere of warmth and connection that stays with you long after you've left the island. Section 6. A culinary journey. Flavors of the island. No exploration of Cebu is complete without indulging in its diverse culinary scene. Filipino cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, influenced by centuries of trade and cultural exchange. From the iconic adobo, a dish of meat braised in vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and bay leaves, to the comforting warmth of sinigang, a sour soup often made with tamarind, each bite is an explosion of taste. For the adventurous palate, there's lechon, Cebu's famous roasted pig, known for its crispy skin and juicy meat. And don't forget to satisfy your sweet tooth with Halo Halo, a refreshing dessert of shaved ice, beans, fruits, and leche flan. Section 7. Experience Cebu, your tropical adventure awaits. So there you have it, a glimpse into the magic of Cebu, a tropical paradise where natural wonders meet cultural richness, and the warmth of the people will capture your heart. From pristine beaches and enchanting landscapes to vibrant festivals and mouth-watering cuisine, Cebu offers an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. Are you ready to create your own Cebu story? Subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, tips, and adventures from around the globe. Until next time, happy travels and safe journeys.